Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change language in Modern Combat 5 Blackout application using mobile device. To change the language setting in Modern Combat 5, launch open the game first on your device and from the home page, tap on the arrow facing downwards at the top right corner. From the menu that pops up on the right corner, click on the gear button. Now click on Language. From the list of available language options, choose the one that you would like to change to. After you do that, you will then be able to change your language setting to your chosen one in just a few seconds. You can always come back to the same option and change the languages according to your preferences, and that is it. That's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.